Shelly was a normal girl with a very special secret. Her dad had built a real time machine. Every weekend, they traveled to the past. One day, Dad said,
"Let's go to England in 1202 and return this lost recipe book to the king."
Shelly nodded excitedly. "Of course, Father," she smiled. Whoosh! In a flash of blue light, they landed in a quiet green forest. Tall trees surrounded them, and in the distance, they saw a huge castle.
"Stay polite and respectful," Dad reminded her.
They quickly changed into old-fashioned clothes and walked to the castle gates. "Halt!" the guards shouted, raising their swords. Shelly felt nervous, but Dad stayed calm.
"My lord," he said politely, "we bring something that belongs to the king."
The guards looked suspicious until Dad showed a shiny gift. They were amazed and allowed them inside. Soon, Shelly and her dad stood before the king himself. "Your Majesty," Shelly said politely, "we have returned your recipe book." The king smiled with delight.
"My book! And gifts too? Prepare a grand feast."
Shelly's eyes sparkled with excitement. Time travel, a castle, and now a royal feast. This was her best adventure ever!